Richard, it's Monday! Hi guys!
What, huh?
I'm in Canada,
Hello?
land of maple syrup, moose, and kindness. And I'm here with Caitlin and Catherine, and we're gonna go to the grocery store and get some stuff.
I'm still not quite sure where we are. Oh.
There! Where's there?
I don't know.
Straight, left,
Keep going.
right.
Stop.
Okay, we're going forward. Oh my goodness! Sorry.
It's okay, they're Canadians.
Sorry.
They're nice.
Canada Day.
Oh, store hours.
Closed. Ah!
Oh.
Okay, well, let's go. What's a gas station? Yeah.
It's an Esso.
Okay, where? ¿Dónde está el eso?
Oh my.
It's because in eso means that in Spanish. In case you did not know, because you speak French.
I actually don't like maple.
Are you Canadian?
What a long journey just for ketchup chips. We found our ketchup chips! Only in Canada, folks. We got cost us $8. And we gave them a $20 bill.
We're in the drive-thru. It's raining. Don't want to open the window. I don't. But I want Timmy's. It's raining harder now. No! Ah! Hello, can I have a 20 bucks of Timbits and a nice cap? Okay, thank you. Everything is wet!
When I was a young white hat! He's depressed. He's very depressed.
Thank you.
All that.
When it rains! When it rains! When it rains! When it rains! When it rains.
This is depressing.
Yeah. Oh.
And you missed our house.
So I know I haven't shown you guys what I'm up to this summer. So this is what I'm up to this summer. I'm at the beach. It's pretty great. I'm here at the beach with Jason.
You didn't get my consent.
And I don't need your consent. And Kane. And Chase. He died. Or he's in Hawaii.
Chase is in here.
Chase is there. And we do research here. We work on computers all day. Don't look at the patient information. And yeah. The vlog started Canadian, and it's gonna end Canadian. We're going to be doing the Tim Tam Slam, eh? Now you might be asking, what's a Tim Tam Slam, eh? Well, it's the most un-Canadian way of eating food you'll ever see. We take a Tim Tam, bite off opposite corners, and use it as a straw to drink hot chocolate or coffee. Now you might be saying, that's flippin' unhealthy, eh? To which I say,
Totes my goats.
but it doesn't end there. You then take the melting, glorious Tim Tam and slam it into your mouth. That's right, you take the Tim Tam. That's all the footage we have, eh? Oh, it's okay. I'm Canadian. I'm fine with it. Yeah, just show the handoff footage, eh? One day we'll do a Premiere Pro tutorial, Jody. But for today, that's all I got. See you Monday, eh? Okay. Ooh, you want to go to LCBO?
Oh.
We're gonna go to LCBO, guys!
Yay!
Woo! Going to LCBO, guys!